Today we're going to see how much money we can find at the Goodwill. I was having a talk with my husband the other day, and you know, for the most part, I've been doing resale online with vintage for years. Ever since my daughter was born, I have learned how to be a stay-at-home mom by investing in like antiques and collectibles for over 20 years. And I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys, if you are in a similar position and you're looking to stay home and you're looking to make a few extra dollars, maybe to subsidize your income, then this is definitely one of the ways that you can do it. By thrifting and buying things that are beautiful, collectible for a very low price and selling it for profit on several sites such as eBay and Etsy, Poshmark and Mercari. There's several sites that you can think of. Today my purpose is to take you in there, and I'm not going to buy anything, but I want to go through the store. I want to select things that have value so that maybe you guys can keep your eyes on it. I thought that that was pretty interesting because I'm always spotting a dollar, you know, at the Goodwill. So I'm going to take you through a few stores. I'm going to go through the racks and we're going to see what we can find. I'm going to set myself up for a challenge to really find some cool things to show you guys that there is literally money sitting at the Goodwill waiting for you. If you have time and the ambition to go ahead and purchase things and resell them, then guys, this is the way to do it. So let's hit a few stores and let's see how much money we can find today.
So as I am just looking through the shelves, I've come across these two interesting candle holders, and surprisingly they were Lenox. They're marked $5.99. I couldn't find the exact pair, but I found similar ones selling on Mercari for $35. It appears that someone donated a lot of Lenox. I happen to have found another set of Lenox candle holders in the gold trim, and I spotted them being sold on Etsy for $30. Then I found the Lenox bowls. I've spotted them for $24, so that's $48 for two. And here is the bread dish. I spotted it for $18 on eBay. And I found the butter dish, that's $7.99. I spotted it being sold for $19.95. Then as I'm glancing down below, I happened to see these very atomic 50s ceramic trays. Now what these are Lazy Susan bowls. So they should have come with a wooden sort of like tray that you would take these bowls and surround them with. There wasn't any price on them, but typically they would be between 99 cents to $1.99, and I spotted these for $30 for a similar set. It definitely takes a trained eye to spot things. I've been doing this for such a long time, but I caught my eye on this little sugar bowl, I would say. It is an English ceramic by Meakin, and I spotted this being sold for $25 on Etsy. I can't believe this was hiding in the corner, but this is a hand-painted postmodern cherub vase, and I actually spotted this for $34.99 on eBay. Guys, there is so much to learn about crystal. If you ever find a piece with a signature on it, grab it. This piece, I found a similar one online selling for $185. Guys, let me introduce you to Tollware. It is a little tins that are hand painted, and this is like a little letter holder for a desk. And I spotted it for $38. And then this is like a planter. Basically, you use it for whatever, but I spotted this for $63 on Etsy. Pick it up if you see these pieces. These little etched coupe glasses were just everything. I almost bought them, even though I said I wasn't going to buy anything. They are so classic. I spotted these for $178.68 on Etsy. I noticed this porcelain geisha statue She was just sitting there and I knew that she was special. She was marked $7.99 and I spotted this on Cherish for $100. Right behind the Geisha was some glassware and I noticed these two beautiful decanters. Guys, decanters are everything right now. So many people love to create little mini bars and these were just exceptional. They're probably from the 1970s and I actually happened to spot these on Cherish for $135 for a similar pair. I thought this teapot looked a little special, so I picked it up to observe it, and upon inspecting it, underneath was a musical sort of gadget, and this is a musical teapot. Found it for $18 on eBay. Anytime I see ceramic, I definitely have to pick it up. I knew these were vintage. These are little soup or crock pots, and they were marked Hall. I found two of them, and on eBay they were selling for $9.50 a piece. I noticed these little plates below the soup bowls, and I turned them over and noticed that they were stamped Delft China, and these little plates are very, very collectible. If you don't know, please pick them up if you see them. I found a similar set selling for $79 on eBay. Now, I normally don't even get involved with paintings, but something about this picture drew me in. Just by looking at it and the way that it was framed, it looked really special. There was a name on the bottom of it, and the name was Winslow Homer. And I spotted this being sold various prices, but this one was sold for $151.24. I made my way over to the textile section and found these gorgeous linen sheer panels. They probably date from the 60s or 70s, and I found a similar pair being sold for over $122 on Etsy. Made my way to the second Goodwill, and upon walking in, noticed this very antique cane or rattan rocking chair that was marked $9.99. I spotted it for almost $2,000 on eBay. Now over here I spotted these little porcelain busts. This is, I believe, Aphrodite, and while a lot of these are reproductions, this one wasn't. It had a marking on it, and I found one similar going on Etsy for $16. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is Bach. Looks a little similar, but I'm not 100% sure. If it is, this was going for $81 on Etsy. This little section was filled with gems. I've noticed this abstract Costa Boda. Looks like a whale. I believe it's supposed to be abstract, but I spotted it being sold on Cherish for $150. This piece was also numbered. This postmodern ceramic dish really caught my eye. It also happened to be signed. Now, some of these can be worth a lot of money. Take a look at all the various prices, depending on who made them, how much you can potentially make by selling one of these. Because I couldn't identify the signature, I went ahead and took the $85 lower price to compare. Again, I have a trained eye and noticed this cobalt figurine just sitting there. I knew she was special. Sure enough, underneath I saw the marking. This is a W, which is for Westmoreland. I used to sell a lot of this back in the day. I spotted this, well, something similar. I could not find the exact same figurine, but a dish that was going for $58 on eBay, but potentially if it was the figurine, it could be worth a lot more. Okay, this one took literally everything to not go out the store with it. This is a walnut mid-century dresser mirror, and I found a similar one on Cherish going for $350. Guys, this piece was gorgeous. I'm making my way to the register. I noticed one last piece. This was a soup tureen. It looked special, looked very Art Deco. I flip it over. Sure enough, it was Saxon China. This piece used to sell for a lot more, but currently I spotted it for $30 on Etsy. Guys, I hope that this video inspired you to go and hit your Goodwill and go find things that you can turn for a profit. It is that easy. You can use this video as a resource to look for similar items. I'm sure your stores are stocked with tons of gems. If I were to resell all these things, I would be coming home with $4,095.50. Thanks for watching.